If you've been thinking about getting your real estate license in Florida but feel overwhelmed by the process, you are in the right place. Real estate can be an incredible way to earn extra income, even build a full-time career. But let's be honest, figuring out where to start can feel confusing and overwhelming. So in this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about getting your real estate license in Florida, step by step. We're also going to go over why Gold Coast Schools is a top choice for completing your required courses and a bunch of tips to help you succeed and prioritize your time. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the process, plus some tips to help you succeed. Let's get into it. So first off, what are the steps to get your real estate license in Florida? First off, you need to meet the basic requirements. So before getting started, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a high school diploma or equivalent, and have a clean legal record. Though minor issues can often be clarified with the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation, or DBPR. Next, you need to complete the required pre-licensing course. Florida requires you to complete a 63-hour pre-licensing course. This course covers the basics of real estate principles, laws, and ethics, preparing you both for the exam and your career. Gold Coast Schools offers this course online or in person, which makes it super easy to choose the format that works best for you. Then you have to pass the end of course exam. Once you've completed the course, you'll need to pass the end of course exam with a score of at least 70%. But don't worry, Gold Coast Schools provides the resources you need to study and feel confident going into the test. Next, you'll need to submit your license application and fingerprints. You'll apply for the real estate license through the DBPR. This step includes submitting an application, completing a background check, and paying the required fees. After that, you'll pass the Florida real estate exam. The Florida real estate exam consists of 100 multiple choice questions, and you'll need to pass with at least a 75%. Gold Coast Schools offers practice exams and study guides to help you prepare and feel ready on test day. Lastly, you'll just have to activate your license. So after you pass the state exam, you'll need to activate your license. Once that's done, you're officially a licensed real estate professional in Florida and ready to start your journey. So let's go over why Gold Coast is a top choice for getting your real estate license in Florida and how they can help you prepare. Gold Coast Schools is one of the most popular and trusted options for completing your required real estate coursework in Florida. Here's a closer look of what makes it such an amazing choice. First off, flexible learning options. One of the biggest benefits of Gold Coast is the flexibility it offers. You can choose between a fully online course or in-person classes at one of their locations across Florida. This allows you to tailor your learning experience to your personal needs. For example, if you're someone who prefers to learn at your own pace, the online option is perfect for fitting into your busy schedule. On the other hand, if you thrive in a classroom setting with live instruction, their in-person courses provide that hands-on interactive experience. Beginner-friendly material. The coursework is designed to be straightforward and easy to follow. Even for those who are completely new to real estate, the lessons are broken into manageable sections with clear explanations of real estate laws, principles, and practices. There's no need to feel intimidated. Everything is presented in a way that is understandable and practical. Practice exams for test preparation. Gold Coast Schools goes above and beyond when it comes to preparing you for the state exam. Their practice exams are modeled after the real thing, helping you get familiar with the format, types of questions, and pacing. This feature is especially valuable for building confidence as you approach exam day. Plus, taking multiple practice exams allows you to track your progress and focus on the areas where you need to improve. Experienced instructors. The instructors at Gold Coast Schools are not only knowledgeable about real estate, but also have real-world experience in the industry. They provide valuable insights and practical advice that go beyond the course material. Whether you're taking an in-person class or accessing instructor support online, you'll have access to experts who can answer all of your questions and clarify any challenging concepts. Real-world preparation. Gold Coast doesn't just prepare you to pass the exam, they prepare you for your career. The courses also include practical scenarios and examples you're likely to encounter as a real estate professional. From understanding contracts to handling client relationships, you'll learn skills that you can immediately apply once you're licensed. This emphasis on real-world preparation helps bridge the gap between studying and working in the industry. Networking opportunities. For those attending in-person classes, Gold Coast Schools offers a great opportunity to connect with other aspiring real estate agents. Networking with classmates and instructors can open doors to future partnerships, mentorships, and even job opportunities. Real estate is a relationship-driven industry, and building connections early on can give you a head start in your career. Comprehensive student support. Gold Coast Schools offers amazing support to guide you through every step of the licensing process. Whether answering questions about coursework or providing additional study materials, their team is there to assist you. Post-licensing education options. In addition to pre-licensing courses, Gold Coast Schools offers post-licensing education and continuing education courses for when you're ready to advance your career. This makes them a one-stop shop for all of your real estate education needs, ensuring that you're equipped with all of the knowledge you need. Now let's take a look at the different options because they do have a lot and it's important that you find one that fits your needs. So So if you want to click our exclusive link in the description, you want to make sure you click that because that ensures you get the best price possible. So here you can see they have a couple of different options for the real estate pre-license courses. So first off, they have a starter. They also have a popular and an accelerate. So with the starter, this plan is $599. You get the state approved pre-licensing course, 2-year access with no additional fees, the Gold Coast textbook, chapter review and questions, expert local instructors, career fairs, next step readiness classes, chapter presentations, and language of real estate guidebook. So even in this starter pack, they have a bunch of resources for you. Next is the standard plan, which is the most popular, and it's $699. With this plan, you get everything in the starter, plus you get the instructor-led state exam cram course, as well as the online state exam prep simulators, digital flashcards, weekly tutoring sessions. Lastly is the accelerate, which is $799. So you get everything included in the popular plan, but you also get real estate negotiation institute course and certificate and post-license course. So they have a bunch of different options. Make sure you find the one that fits best for you. Also, you want to make sure you are choosing between classroom, live stream, or online. So they do have some different prices. So in the classroom is what we just kind of talked about. Live stream, the starter is $579, the standard is $679, and the accelerate is $779. And then just strictly online is the starter starts at $329, the standard is $429, and the accelerate is $529. So just make sure you're choosing the one that best fits your needs. I know for me, I like online. I study really well by myself, and I know that I can get things done efficiently and effectively. So make sure, again, you're working with your own brain and your own needs and your own lifestyle to figure out what the best plan is for you. So we're going to go ahead and select the standard plan. Okay, so all you have to do is go ahead and click secure checkout. Go ahead and create a new account. Type in all of your information and a password. We'll go ahead and click view my courses. So here you can see we have a bunch of resources. So here are the chapter reviews. So let's start off with the first chapter. Here you can see you will have access to getting started, and then they have some resource links right here. So here's your chapter introduction, intro to real estate business, specialization with real estate profession, and so much more. And then you can see what is completed and what is not, which is really, really helpful to stay on track. And then we've got your, different presentations, which is also cool. Review questions. You can go to chapter 1 quiz. So again, you can always be in charge of what chapters you're learning, the quizzes you take to see what you need to focus on. So what's really cool about this is that you can see what you need to work on and what you're already knowledgeable in. So you can really only focus on the things that you need to. Again, this is super easy to navigate. You've got your course material, your presentations, your chapter review, and your chapter review questions. And then to access the textbook is right here. Steps to Success Handbook, Language of Real Estate textbooks, real estate chapter highlight, table of contents, and helpful tips. So lots of amazing information in there and super easy to use and navigate. Okay, now that you know exactly how to get your real estate license, how to prepare for the exam, let's go into some tips for success. So first off, you want to stick to a study schedule. Set aside specific times each day or week to work on your coursework. Even just an hour or two a day can make a huge difference. Consistency is key. Next, take the practice exam seriously. Practice exams are one of the best tools for preparing. Use them to familiarize yourself with the test format and pinpoint areas that need improvement. Next, create a study environment. Find a quiet, distraction-free space where you can focus on your studies. Turn off notifications and set yourself up for success. Break down the course material. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Focus on one section at a time, like laws or contracts, and build your knowledge gradually. Stay focused on your goal. Remember why you're pursuing your real estate license, whether it's financial freedom, a career change, or a side hustle. Keeping your why in mind will keep you motivated. Use Gold Coast resources. Take advantage of everything they offer, from practice exams to instructor support. They're there to help you succeed, so make sure you use your resources. Lastly, review your weak areas. Spend extra time on the topics you find challenging. Strengthening your weak spots will boost your confidence on exam day. And also, don't burn yourself out. Take short breaks between study sessions to help you stay fresh and focused. Getting your real estate license in Florida might seem like a big task, but once you break it down, it's completely manageable. And Gold Coast Schools has got you covered. They're such an amazing resource to help you complete complete the required coursework and prepare for the exam, offering you flexibility and support to fit your exact needs. So if real estate is something you've been thinking about, there's no better time to get started. If you want to get access to the best price possible, make sure you use our link down in the description. This channel is dedicated to helping you build profitable side hustles, explore new income streams, and turn your passions into paychecks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We would absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.